Laural, 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 Laural.
We've all heard it before, Yanny or Laural. Some hear one and some hear the other, but why is it so confusing? Well, today let's get right into the science behind why some people hear it differently than others. It all starts with sound frequencies. Sound waves come in different frequencies, high ones and low ones. The recording of Yanny and Laural has both high and low frequencies mixed in. When we listen to this sound, our brains pick up on different parts of these frequencies. The way we process these frequencies depends on how sensitive our ears are. People who are more sensitive to high frequencies will hear Yanny, while others who are less sensitive to these higher sounds will hear Laural. This is especially true for older people, as our ability to hear higher frequencies tends to decline with age. But here's where it gets interesting. Our brain doesn't just passively process sound, it interprets it and fills in the gaps based on what we expect to hear. If your brain expects to hear Yanny, that's what it will push you to hear, even if the sound isn't perfectly clear. That's sort of why sometimes, when you're watching a video, when someone puts subtitles on a very kind of unclear sound, if you read the subtitles, you are more likely to hear what the subtitles say the sound is, as opposed to what it probably is saying. Now, if you listen to the recording through headphones versus a speaker, the experience might be different. The way sound is projected affects how our brain interprets the audio. So next time, try listening on both and see if that changes what you hear. Age also plays a huge role. As we get older, as I mentioned, our ears lose some of their sensitivity to high frequencies, so we're more likely to hear Laural. Younger people, on the other hand, are more likely to hear Yanny because they can hear those higher pitches. So what's the deal? It's all about how our ears pick up certain sounds, how our brain interprets them, and a little bit of expectation bias. It's fascinating how something as simple as sound waves can create such a huge debate. So, the big question, what do you hear? Do you hear Yanny? Do you hear Laural? Or do you maybe hear something else entirely? Make sure to comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.
Laural, 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 Laural.